Hey, this is Jay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This channel is everything DIY business and fashion. If you have not, please subscribe to the channel. Why not? It's 1, free, 2, you do not want to miss out on all the new styles I'll be making and showing you guys, and the tips I'll be giving you for your business. As you can see in the title, we are doing an unboxing video. If you do not follow me on Instagram, it is bougie_pieces, and I made an announcement that restock will be this Wednesday, July 29th. So this would be kind of like I guess you can say like a sneak peek of what's to come for Wednesday restock. So let's get into it on what we will have. So we got some cute little money charms.
Money.
We're gonna have some money charms.
Boom, and boom, boom. You supposed to be excited like you want rapping like it's Christmas. Come on, give us action or something.
We got some sorority charms.
Okay.
This was highly requested from my wholesale team. So like I said, following my Instagram and engaging with me on there, it's really beneficial for you guys, because that's where they, I ask you guys questions. I ask you guys like what type of charms you want to see, etc. I really like these. These gonna look really good on bangles. Got some Minnie Mouse. Look at these. These like some little ballerina dancers. These are super cute. And everything, it usually comes in a pack of 10. We got some rhinestone lipstick.
My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Be chasing me after school.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I zoomed in.
So these gonna come in pink and red. We got some more sorority charms, but they come in like trays. What's this? Oh, everybody was asking for like motivational charms, word charms. These are super. These will be one of the bead styles.
Peachy.
These are $3 to $4 a strand. Each strand have about 40 something pieces on it. I think 40 pieces on one strand, which is awesome, because when you go to Joann's and stuff,
You get like 10, 15.
yeah, when you go to Joann's
for $7.
You're gonna get like 10 beads for like $7. This will be the second style, like a blue, like a marble blue, and then we got like a marble orange. Oh my God, I just thought about it.
That's usually that girl. That's why I'm like, it's peachy.
I could show one of my customers who want an orange bandage. Wholesale team, they do really good in sales with. like I said, you guys, restock is Wednesday, July 29th. I don't know what time. If you ordered from me before, you know Jay never pick a time, because every time I pick a time, it never works out. So just be on the lookout on Wednesday, and I always make a post on my Insta story and on my page when charms are restocked and the site is reopened. So please, please, please don't miss out on that. I got a lot of new goodies for you guys, and yeah, let's secure the bag, sis. I thank you for joining me on the channel, and also please remember to subscribe and like this video. We're trying to build a sisterhood and a community for us to learn with each other and engage with each other, so I really, really appreciate that. And like always, thank you for joining and meeting with me on the channel, and I will see you guys next time.